Carefully removing each part of the massive organ screen, it was transported back to our store. Each part, down to the original wood screws, were meticulously reconstructed here in our showroom. Customers are able to see the entire unit displayed, allowing for them to imagine new uses, letting their imaginations run wild. The screen could end up back within an ecclesiastical environment or a new creative application. For example, the original screen can be used within a residence to provide a unique and striking backdrop, or as a centerpiece of a restaurant's decor. What do you think? Send us your ideas. We'd love to hear from you.